Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'll try and practice what I'm preaching, and I'm going to have a go at drawing my own. I'm going to go for, I think, something like Super Baby or something like that. You can obviously do your own research, go away, have a look at some superheroes out there. But first of all, get yourself a piece of paper, landscape or portrait. I'm going to use landscape. And then, first of all, use some of the skills that you've used in art. I'm no expert. Try out drawing first of all. Get yourself a sort of outline, okay? So I'm going to get the outline of Super Baby or Thunder Kid or whatever. And I'm going to have a go at drawing. First of all, go for the face, okay? So I'm going to go for a circle. And then I'm going to add to some details in there. So I'll go for the hair, just roughly, nothing, nice and light with your pencil, okay? Put some ears in, decide to bring the face down, probably go for a bit bigger with the hair, bit of a mess on the top there. Again, I like this manga style, so put another ear across there, so you can see how I'm getting the basics outline of the head. Okay, obviously you can start to rub things out as well as you go along, or you can use some other different type of media like a fine liner, and if you've got some colouring pencils, which is fantastic, you can add some colour. Okay, so there's the basics for me. Put some eyebrows in there. Again, you've probably been taught this in art, sort of section off the face, so maybe halfway down the head. Super Baby for me, I've not quite decided on the name yet, but it's going to hide his or her identity. Is going to have a mask, okay? So if I draw something roughly in there, tiny little nose, and then I can start to put the mouth in. Okay, so I'm going to continue working on this, and in a second I'm going to let you go, and you can have a go. Maybe make their ears a bit smaller. So there's the outline. Okay, there's the outline of Super Baby's head. Obviously put some eyes in there. Got the basics there, and I can then start to put in maybe some features for the body. Okay, so I think I'll have Super Baby or Thunder Kid or whatever I'm going to call him or her. I'm going to have them flying. Okay, so I'm going to have maybe some sort of cape going off in the background, flying away, some sort of cape, and then I'm going to just roughly draw in an outline for their body. Use as their feet, hands are going to be roughly around here, and then an outstretched arm somewhere out here, and again something along, so you can see, yeah, probably have a tie-in for the cape at the top here, dangle that down, and bring in the body and the arms, okay, coming down, and things like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let you go away, and start your drawing. I've got my basics, okay? I'll work on mine for the next 15-20 minutes or so, and then we'll come back. Maybe you can email or send in to the school some of your pictures that you completed over the next couple of days or something like that. And I'm also, I can come up with some sort of logo as well. So I'll go for an S there, U, and create some sort of name for my character. Okay, So I'm going to work on this, get some colours, if I can find some. If not, I'll just do a rough outline. So what I want you to do then now is go away, have a go, okay? Use your research, remember your design brief. Look for some inspiration out there as well. Some, manga style, look at Avengers characters, Marvel, DC Comics, and things like that. Okay, off you go.